Hi all, let's make a ruffle A-line dress together. Start by drafting your regular A-line dress pattern but put the allowance on the front piece. Now join the two front pieces together, okay, with a straight stitch. Now when you're done with this, take another piece of fabric that you want to use for your ruffles. Make sure that the fabric is 5 inches wide and as long as possible. Go ahead and sew gather stitch on this. So by gather stitch, I mean a loose stitch all along the length of the fabric. Then after that, go ahead and gather it. Now on your front piece, mark 1 inch on both sides of that same line, okay, 1 inch on both sides, and then place your ruffle fabric, place it right sides facing, okay, with the line you marked, and then go ahead and sew it down. Flip it to the other side and then top stitch. Okay, so first of all, sew it right sides facing to the piece, and then go ahead and flip it and then top stitch. It's very simple. Once you're done, join it to your back piece, attach your sleeves, and you have your lovely ruffle A-line dress. Bye.